Plant FAQs. Alocasia lauterbachiana purple sword. The allure of the Alocasia lauterbachiana, a plant parent's guide. The Alocasia lauterbachiana, with its majestic, sword-like leaves and captivating contrast of deep green and alluring purple, has become a coveted resident in many a houseplant haven. But beyond its undeniable beauty lies a specific care routine that unlocks its full potential. As a fellow plant enthusiast, I've meticulously documented my journey with this remarkable Alocasia, and here, I share the secrets to cultivating a thriving Lauterbachiana. See more 90 species in genus Alocasia, elephant ears at monsterholic.com. Also known as the purple sword, silver sword, or baroque sword, the Alocasia lauterbachiana hails from the tropical rainforests of New Guinea and the Bismarck Archipelago. This heritage translates to a love for warm, humid environments with dappled sunlight. Standing tall with leaves reaching up to 1.5 meters, the Lauterbachiana makes a bold statement. Its slender, pointed leaves boast a deep, glossy green on top, while the undersides showcase a mesmerizing shade of purple. The prominent veins that run along the length of the leaves add another layer of visual interest. How to care for Alocasia lauterbachiana. While the Alocasia lauterbachiana may appear exotic, its care requirements are surprisingly manageable. By mimicking its natural habitat, you can create a thriving environment for your leafy companion. Light. Imagine a sun-dappled forest floor. That's the ideal light situation for the Lauterbachiana. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Opt for bright, indirect light, perhaps near an east-facing window. Water. Finding the watering sweet spot is key. The Alocasia lauterbachiana prefers consistently moist soil, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out before watering thoroughly. Opt for lukewarm water to prevent shocking the roots. Humidity. Remember those tropical rainforests? High humidity is the Lauterbachiana's happy place. Group your Alocasia with other humidity-loving plants. Use a pebble tray filled with water, or consider a humidifier to create a moisture-rich microclimate. Temperature. Think warm and cozy. The Alocasia lauterbachiana thrives in temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid sudden temperature fluctuations and keep it away from cold drafts. Soil. Well-draining soil is crucial. A good potting mix for Alocasia lauterbachiana should be light and airy, allowing for proper drainage and aeration. Consider a mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a diluted dose of liquid fertilizer once a month can give your Alocasia lauterbachiana a gentle boost. Opt for a balanced fertilizer formulated for houseplants. Troubleshooting common Alocasia lauterbachiana issues. Even with the best intentions, occasional hiccups can arise. Here's a quick guide to diagnosing and resolving common Alocasia lauterbachiana problems. Yellowing leaves. This could be a sign of overwatering. Reduce watering frequency and ensure proper drainage. Brown leaf tips. Underwatering or low humidity are likely culprits. Adjust your watering schedule and consider increasing humidity. Drooping leaves. This can indicate underwatering, excessive heat, or lack of light. Check the soil moisture, adjust temperature, and provide brighter indirect light. Propagating your Alocasia lauterbachiana, sharing the beauty. The Alocasia lauterbachiana's beauty is meant to be shared. Luckily, propagation is achievable. Here are two common methods. Division. When repotting a mature Alocasia lauterbachiana, you can carefully divide the plant at the base, ensuring each division has healthy roots and leaves. Rhizome cuttings. Locate the underground rhizome, a fleshy root-like structure. Cut a section with a growth eye, a small nub, and pot it in a well-draining mix. What to plant with Alocasia lauterbachiana. The Alocasia lauterbachiana thrives alongside plants with similar humidity and light requirements. Consider pairing it with ferns. Bird's nest fern or maidenhair fern add a lush, textured element. Calatheas. Pinstripe calathea or prayer plant share the love for dappled light and humidity. ZZ plant. This low-maintenance option complements the Alocasia's vibrant foliage. With dedication and these helpful pointers, your Alocasia lauterbachiana will flourish, its captivating foliage gracing your home for years to come. So, embrace the tropical allure and embark on this rewarding journey of cultivating the Alocasia Lauterbachiana. Remember, a little TLC, tender loving care, goes a long way. Observe your plant, adjust its care routine as needed, and don't hesitate to research further if any questions arise. The Alocasia Lauterbachiana, with its unwavering elegance and manageable care requirements, is a fantastic addition to any plant collection, adding a touch of the tropics to your indoor haven.